I'm going to show you how to unhitch your Airstream from the back of your tow vehicle. Very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go ahead and get your chocks here. And yours. Just by putting them underneath the tires on both sides. And go ahead and do the other side. So you want to make sure you have a pair of these levelers. They come in different brands, different colors, whatever, and they help you level the rig if it's unlevel, or also you can use them as a stand underneath. You can put it underneath the stand. It protects the stand and also the concrete or wherever you're unhooking at. So I'll go ahead and put those underneath the stand. Once I have those placed underneath the stand, I just need to lower the jack stand onto the levelers. Once I raise the jack stand, or the trailer up on the jack stand, then I ensure that the sway bars are loose and can be easily released on the blue ox. So you can see they're loose. There's no tension on them. So all I have to do is come up here and release the blue ox by turning this and then turning the blue ox. And that releases the chain. And now I can go ahead and remove the sway bar just by pulling this pin up and pulling it out. Now I need to go do the other side. So again, this is loose. There's no tension on the sway bar. I just turn that and release the chain. There is a bar that you can attach to here and just turn it. It makes it a little bit easier, but you can also just use your hands. It's very easy to do. And lift up the pin just as I did on the other side and pull it out. Now I'm going to lower the jack down, the trailer back down. And I'm taking all of the pressure off of the jack so you can see the stand is not on these levelers. And now I can unhook the remainder of the trailer from the truck. I'm going to unhook these chains. Very easy. So now I just want to go ahead and unlock the pin from the hitch. Pull that out and lift this up. I needed 2 hands to do that, so I lifted that up. And now I can go ahead and raise the trailer from the ball hitch. And now I'll go ahead and move the vehicle away from the trailer. So that's all there is to unhitching your Airstream from your tow vehicle. It's very easy, anybody can do.